Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question on two heating coils connected in parallel. The question is as follows. The figure shows the schematic diagram of an electric kettle. It has got two coils in parallel. When the first coil is switched on, water boils in 6 minutes. When the second coil is switched on, then water begins to boil in 3 minutes. We are required to find the time taken for water to boil when both the coils are switched on. Now for the answer. When a resistance R is connected to a DC source of V volts, then the power generated in the resistor is equal to V square by R. Therefore, the heat developed in time t is given by Q is equal to P into T, which is equal to V square by R into T. Therefore, we have T is equal to QR divided by V square. When the first coil is switched on, let the resistance of the first coil is equal to R1. Therefore, time taken for water to boil is given by T1 is equal to Q R1 divided by V square. We are given the value of T1. Similarly, let the resistance of the second coil is equal to R2. Therefore, time taken for water to boil in this case is given by T2 is equal to Q into R2 divided by V square. And finally, when both the coils are switched on, let the resistance of the parallel combination is equal to Rp. Therefore, time taken for water to boil in this case is given by Tp is equal to Q into Rp divided by V square. We are required to find the value of Tp. Therefore, we need the value of Rp. Now, when two resistances R1 and R2 are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance Rp is given by 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Now 1 by R1 is equal to Q divided by V square into T1. One by R2 is equal to Q divided by V square into T2, and 1 by Rp is equal to Q divided by V square into Tp. Now, putting these values, we get Q by V square into Tp is equal to Q by V square into T1 plus Q by V square into T2. Cancelling Q by V square from both sides, we get 1 by Tp is equal to 1 by T1 plus 1 by T2. Simplifying, we get Tp is equal to T1 into T2 divided by T1 plus T2. It is given that T1 is equal to 6 minutes and T2 is equal to 3 minutes. Putting these values and simplifying, we get Tp is equal to 2 minutes, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is C. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.